All right, me and Jalen out here in the inclement weather, changing tires on a tire that blew on one of the trash trucks. You think this trucking business is easy? We out here in a snowstorm, changing tires because the truck got to go to work. They're on an emergency right now, and he's probably got to come back in and get this truck. It's got to be ready for tomorrow for the other driver. So we got all this stuff underneath. We got the jack. We had to put blocks underneath. Jalen, you know to snug it first. Yeah. Don't go all the way in. Yeah, easy, you know. And you do them all like that, and then you crisscross pattern. Do the bottom. I would do the bottom. Go ahead. Yeah. Gotta hold a gun with both hands. So we got these tires are like $500 and some a piece. They high ply, you know. We do what we do. We do what we gotta do. Take the good with the bad. Truck is in pretty good shape. Rest of the tires, I gotta get these tires look decent. I think on the other side. This is here. I gotta get 2 here. I bought this truck with these tires. So these are 11R 22.5s. These are good years. And these 2 are good. So I'm gonna get 2 in the back. 2 tires in the back. As you can see, treads is getting low on those. When I bought the truck, they must have took tires from another truck and put on there the best ones on here, you know. Well, I was fine with it at the time. I got a good deal on it, so I'm not gonna complain. So this one here is pretty decent. We can actually use this as a spare. You know, if I get another rim, maybe I might buy another rim and put another tire, keep this tire on, and put a tire on the other rim. So get a rim that's similar to that. Just make sure the socket stays on there, Jalen. We good? I'll check them with the tool. All right, this is what we doing. See how they put grease on it to make sure it's seat, to lock the bead on it. There, go all the way so it can't go. Go so it can't go. Keep going till it can't go. Now you can go all the way around. You can just do one at a time because you already locked that in already. That's good. Keep going to each one. Okay. 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 Get that one more. Just do that one. Just make sure. Okay. I think we're good. Alright. Now we gotta take the jack out. I don't know. You did something with it, didn't you? I never touched it. Okay. Gotta lay in the wet. That should be able to go all the way down. Yes. Yeah, just check them with that. Yeah, you should be good. That's good, Jalen. That's good. Don't go crazy. I don't want you to mess up the stud. That's good. Don't go crazy. Just do them all around. You don't have to do them. Just do them all the way around so you don't forget. And just when you come back where you started, should be all right. I gotta put a air valve on this truck. Should have bought that air jack. We'll get it. We'll get it. All right, folks. We out of here. Yellowstone. Hey, hey, hey. This is what we doing. That's how we dress in this weather. I'm a little wet in the back, but hey, I can always drive. The truck is fixed now, so I don't have to worry about that. All right, Jay. Don't go crazy. All right, we out of here. Peace.